Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I am gonna showcasing you that what the range Kesaria Textile have in their starting. You gonna be surprised that we have a starting range of 55-61. That's all. Apart from starting the 61 range, you will get some beautiful lycra concepts. 61 range lycra concepts are very beautiful concepts. Either these kind of concepts you will be getting here only. See, these are the 61 ranges concepts which are available in the lycra wear. But these are the only some starting concepts I'm gonna show in you. Just for example, I'm gonna showing in this upcoming video that all the collections which are available in the print, either it will be the crepe concepts, marble concepts, rainial, weightless, all the some beautiful, attractive and unique concepts I'm gonna showcasing in this video. So watch the video from start to till the end. And one of my requests is that please don't skip the video. First of all, in my hand, these kind of concepts are very highly wearable. And talking about the name and fabric, these kind of concepts will be the name of the catalog like tube light concepts. These are the tube light concepts. Apart from that, next concepts, these are the rainial concepts also. See, rainial, weightless, Poonam, crepe or these kind of brasso concept sarees are also very well made in these kind of collections or varieties also. Next one in these kind of collections, which are very highly preferable on the occasional wise purposes also. See, very beautifully, talking about the fabric will be the satin. These kind of concepts are also very well made according to the occasion wise color concepts also. Next one in my hand, you will be get surprised that color will be very beautifully brightened according to the, if it's going to be washable, then also don't worry. All are promising that color will be not degraded, something these kind of guarantee or warranty concepts are also they are trying to sell you. But let me tell you, color gonna be degrade. First of all, color gonna be degrade are from starting 2 or 3 washes only. But after the 2 or 3 washes, color will be the same. And let me remind you, that's not only degrading. All the concepts will be get in the perfect form also. See, these are the varieties you will be get. Length will be the 6.30 meter length you will be get. Apart from that, you will be get in this unstitched blouse also. These are the pallu or blouse concepts you will be get. And starting about the occasional purposes, these kind of very beautifully designery done by our digital concepts which are very highly beneficiary in the wearing in the occasional or any of your purposes also. Talking about the ranges, range will be the 195 rupees only, 4 pieces, 8 pieces. These kind of concepts are very highly preferred in this kind of, if you are starting and interesting to start your new businesses. Next concepts, these are very highly wearable. In the chiffon concepts, you will be getting these kind of concepts. Apart from that, all the collections, all the pieces, you will be get these kind of photos also. So you will get the idea that how many pieces or what will be the range in all the collections you will be have. See, these kind of very beautiful variety and concepts you will be getting here only. From beautifully digitally flowered concepts also you will be getting here. My only request you to that please, if you are new, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon button to get the regular notifications and updates. Talking about the products and service facility of our concepts of our company, then please call the screen available number. They will give you n number and varieties of collections in the form of PDF. And if you are not available or not able to come here, then we can you can place your order in the online form also. These kind of very beautiful collections have the screenshots. These are the ranges which are minimum concepts of 159, 200 and 245. These kind of concepts you will be getting here only. See, next one, if the camera gonna be zoomed, then you can see the perfect fancying and polishing concepts also you will be getting here only. The name of the concepts will be the Rasgulla with blouse. Have the screenshot and take to the concept send it to the screen available number. So guys, if you are new in the textile industry, then also no have to worry. Just take the have the call to the screen available number. One of our experienced salesperson will guide you that how will you manage or start your new business in the textile industry. So guys, many of our customers are from abroad like Mauritius, Germany, Berlin. These are the countries, or Australia. From that countries, many of our customers are come here and have their start in the textile industry also. So guys, till there, please give your opinion, reviews and feedbacks in the comment sections. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.